Recent warnings from food industry experts and agricultural analysts are painting a stark picture of what Americans could face in 2025. Rising food prices, crop shortages, and supply chain disruptions are all converging to create a perfect storm for families trying to feed themselves. The Institute of Grocery Distribution reports that food prices are expected to climb another 5% on top of the 40% increases we've already witnessed. In the midst of this looming crisis, one retailer is quietly preparing for the worst: Aldi. Unlike other grocery chains that are rapidly increasing prices, Aldi is keeping many of its emergency essentials affordable, offering a unique opportunity for families to stockpile without breaking the bank. Here's an in-depth look at 9 essential Aldi products you should buy now, complete with storage tips, nutritional insights, and real-life examples of how these foods can help families survive and even thrive during a crisis. 1. Live Well rice, the ultimate survival staple. Rice might seem like a simple pantry staple, but it's arguably one of the most important survival foods you can buy. Aldi's Live Well brand rice is particularly noteworthy because it's both affordable and long-lasting. A 20-pound bag costs just $8.99, roughly 200 servings for less than $5. But here's what most people don't know. White rice can last up to 30 years when stored properly. During the 2020 shortages, Aldi never ran out of rice, while competitors like Walmart and Target experienced empty shelves. Pro tip: transfer rice to airtight containers with bay leaves. Bay leaves naturally repel pantry bugs like weevils, protecting your stockpile. This simple step can save hundreds of dollars and ensure your rice lasts for decades. 2. Dakota's Pride dried beans, affordable protein that lasts. If protein is the first thing to disappear during a crisis, then dried beans are your best defense. Aldi's Dakota's Pride beans are not only cheap but also incredibly nutritious. For example, a 2-pound bag costs $1.49, whereas Safeway charges $3.99 and Whole Foods $4.99 for similar quality. That's a 233% markup at other stores. Global bean production has recently plummeted due to extreme weather, and experts predict further shortages in 2025. Beans also contain resistant starch, which improves gut health, reduces the risk of diabetes, and supports heart health. Storage tip: use food-grade buckets with Gamma-Seal lids, rotating older beans into your weekly cooking. This simple system allows you to maintain a mini grocery store at home, saving around $150 per month on protein alone. 3. Aldi Pasta Collection, affordable comfort in a crisis. Pasta may not seem urgent, but global pasta shortages are looming. Italian authorities recently declared a national emergency due to rising pasta prices. Meanwhile, Aldi sells high-quality pasta for just 89 cents per pound, compared to Kroger at $1.89 and Publix at $2.49. Aldi sources their pasta from the same facilities as premium Italian brands, meaning you get identical quality for less than half the price. Pasta is easy to store long-term. Just keep it in original boxes inside airtight containers to prevent pantry moth infestations. Savings insight: a blind taste test with picky teenagers revealed no noticeable difference between Aldi and premium pasta. By switching, you can save around $400 annually. 4. Berman's Peanut Butter, nature's survival protein. Peanut butter is often overlooked, but Aldi's Berman's Peanut Butter is a survival staple. A jar contains 28 grams of protein for under $1, far cheaper than beef for the same nutritional content. Recent droughts in Argentina, a major peanut supplier, have caused global prices to spike, but Aldi has maintained stable prices thanks to long-term contracts. Peanut butter is rich in healthy fats, amino acids, niacin, and magnesium, making it ideal for stress situations. Storage hack: store jars upside down to prevent oil separation. Peanut butter also has an unexpected use. It can burn slowly as emergency fuel when power is out. 5. Chef's Cupboard Chicken Broth, liquid gold. While fresh chicken can disappear during a crisis, Chef's Cupboard Chicken Broth remains widely available and highly valuable. A 32-ounce carton at Aldi costs just 99 cents, compared to $2.49 at Walmart. Chicken broth is more than just flavor. It's a concentrated source of sodium, protein, and minerals that help your body stay hydrated and energized during emergencies. Military survival experts even consider it a form of liquid nutrition, essential for maintaining energy and health when resources are scarce. Pro tip: buy shelf-stable cartons, not cans. They store longer, stack better, and require no can opener. One box can sustain a family for several days during power outages. 6. Simply Nature Coconut Oil. Multifunctional emergency essential. Coconut oil isn't just a cooking ingredient, it's a versatile survival item. Aldi's Simply Nature Coconut Oil costs $5.99, while health food stores charge more than double for identical quality. Recent weather patterns, including El Niño, have devastated coconut production, causing global prices to soar. Coconut oil has natural antibacterial properties, can be used for emergency lighting or cooking, and is rich in lauric and caprylic acids, compounds that boost immunity and kill harmful bacteria. Storage tip: keep in dark glass jars at room temperature away from sunlight. Properly stored, it lasts indefinitely and solidifies in cool weather, making it easy to use in multiple applications. 7. Live well canned vegetables. Nutrition when fresh food fails. Canned vegetables often get overlooked, but they could literally save your family's health during a crisis. Fresh produce spoils quickly, especially during power outages or transportation delays. In contrast, canned vegetables retain up to 85% of their nutritional value even after 2 years. During natural disasters like tornadoes or winter storms, families with canned vegetables had a major survival advantage. Aldi's Live Well canned vegetables cost just 79 cents per can, compared to $1.49 at Target or $1.35 at Kroger, providing nearly double the savings without sacrificing nutrition. Smart strategy: mix different vegetables, corn for energy, green beans for fiber, tomatoes for antioxidants, to create complete nutrition from your stockpile. 8. Baker's Corner Flour. Your pantry's most valuable commodity. Flour is more than a baking ingredient, it's survival insurance. Aldi's Baker's Corner Flour costs $1.89 for a 5-pound bag, versus $3.49 at traditional grocery stores. Global wheat yields are declining, particularly in the U.S. Central and Southern Plains, where drought conditions threaten crops. Properly stored flour contains complex carbohydrates, B vitamins, and thousands of calories per bag, making it a life-sustaining food during shortages. Pro tip: store flour in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers. This preserves nutritional value for up to 5 years. Even better, learn simple bread, pancake, and pasta recipes to become self-sufficient when stores run dry. 9. Simply Nature Raw Honey. Liquid survival medicine. Finally, raw honey is a true survival essential. Archaeologists have discovered 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs that was still perfectly edible, proving it never truly spoils. Aldi sells 12-ounce jars for just $3.99, while health stores charge more than double. Honey provides quick energy, natural antibiotics, and antioxidants. During emergencies, it can treat cuts, boost immune function, and even serve as a barter item when resources are scarce. Global bee populations are declining, and honey prices are expected to rise by 40% by 2025. Storage tip: keep honey in its original glass jar away from sunlight. If crystallized, warm it gently in water to return it to liquid form. Why Aldi is a smart choice for crisis preparation. Aldi's unique German efficiency model allows the company to keep prices low while securing supply chains in advance. They have locked-in contracts for essential goods like rice, beans, canned vegetables, and honey, ensuring steady availability even when other stores face shortages. By shopping strategically, families can build a stockpile that provides both nutrition and financial savings. Key insights: Aldi products often come from the same facilities as premium brands, but cost 40 to 60% less. Proper storage can extend shelf life from months to decades, creating long-term food security. Smart preparation allows you to save hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars while ensuring your family remains nourished during crises. How to start your Aldi stockpile today. Prioritize essentials. Start with rice, beans, and flour. They form the foundation of long-term survival meals. Use proper storage. Invest in airtight containers, gamma-seal buckets, and oxygen absorbers to extend shelf life. Rotate your stock. Use older items in weekly cooking to maintain freshness and prevent waste. Diversify your pantry. Include canned vegetables, coconut oil, honey, peanut butter, and broth for balanced nutrition. Educate yourself. Learn to cook basic recipes from your stockpile items. This makes your stockpile functional, not just theoretical. Final thoughts. The reality is clear. Food shortages, price hikes, and supply chain disruptions are coming. But with smart preparation, families can stay ahead of the crisis. Aldi provides a unique opportunity to stockpile essentials at affordable prices while ensuring long-term nutrition. From rice that lasts decades to honey that never spoils, the 9 items above are not just groceries, they are survival tools. By investing in these essentials today, you're not panicking, you're preparing intelligently. Every jar or bag can become part of a resilient system designed to protect your family's health and finances in uncertain times.